There are several ways to do this problem. You can use remainder theorem, you can even use unit digit for this particular problem, and you can, for a little bit use even and odd also. But the right way to do this problem is through exponents, because this given number 32 and 2 are actually related. 2 raised to 5 is 32, but how could you say that the 2 raised to 5 is 32 this fast? Because the powers of 2 you should actually know. You can either by heart it or learn to make it, because we live in the modern era. Every digital electronic stuffs happens in binary. There are a lot of limitations also which comes because of this. So everyone living in this modern era should know the powers of 2. It's very easy to get also. You simply have to double the previous value. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 3 raised to 2 raised to 4 is 8 into 2 is 16. 2 raised to 5 will be 32. 2 raised to 6 will be 64. 2 raised to 7 will be 128. 2 raised to 8 will be 256. 2 raised to 8, 9 will be 512, and 2 raised to 10 is 1024. At least till this you must know. In fact, you must be familiar with this thing, this value, because 1024 GB is equal to 1 TB, or 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. You must have seen this thing, and also you must have also noticed something. The RAM which you buy in your phone, or the memory which you buy in their phone, etc., comes in this thing, or even pen drives, etc. The RAM, pen drive, etc., used to be in 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GBs, etc. Even the hard disk which you buy will be like 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, 1024 GB. See, everything. This is very much important to know. Now, according to the question, there is the number 32, which is 2 raised to 5. So that is where we start from. So if you look at this problem, 32 raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 27. Here, you first have to replace this 32 with 2 raised to 5. And then you are going to get 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 27. And whenever something like this comes, it will eventually be 2 raised to 5 into 5 plus 2 raised to 27. Why did this happen? A raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. And because of the same reason, it can be written as a raised to n whole raised to m also. The same thing, a raised to m into n or n into m. Now this is going to be 2 raised to 25 plus 2 raised to 27. Now the same thing could be written as 2 raised to 25 plus 2 raised to 25 plus 2. And we also know that a raised to m plus n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. With the same principle, I can split this value. Let's see how that is going to happen. 2 raised to 25 plus 2 raised to 25 into 2 square. It split like that. Now you can take 2 raised to 25 common outside. This value and this value you can take common. And then you will be getting 2 raised to 25 into, see here it is, this is actually not 2 raised to 25 into 0, it is 2 raised to 25 into 1, because any number could be written like that. So once you take this outside, 1 will be left. So 1 plus, and here this will be left, 2 square, and that is 2 raised to 25 into 1 plus 4, or 2 raised to 25 into 5. So we just simplify this number. We just simplified. You can of course pause the video and see this thing, how this thing happened. And we can say that this value 32 raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 27, that itself is, how much was it? 2 raised to 25 into 5. 2 raised to 25 into 5. Therefore, this is the prime factorized form. Now I can check divisibility. This number is divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 5, this number is divisible by all the powers of 2 till 25. This number is also divisible by any combinations of this thing, like 2 into 5, 2 square into 5, 2 cube into 5, etc. You can check that also. So if I take this number 2 raised to 25, 2 raised to 25 into 5 divided with 10. What is 10? 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. 5 is divisible, and 25, 2 raised to 25 by 2 will become 2 raised to 24. So it is divisible. Therefore, the answer is option C. Okay. Now, the same problem could be done using unit digit, but the problem is that always it will not work. Okay. For example, imagine if I give you a different question. Now, if I give you a question like this, 27 raised to 11 plus 9 raised to 17 plus 3 raised to 35 is divisible by which of this given number? Now you can pause the video and try to find the answer for this. Okay. I'm going to give you the answer. If you need more time, please pause the video. So just copy pasting the stuff. 27 raised to 11 plus 9 raised to 17 plus 3 raised to 35. First of all, in a single look, you will know that this have something to do with powers of 3. In fact, this number could be repeated as 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So that is 3 cube whole raised to 11 plus 9 is nothing but 3 square. 3 square raised to 17 plus 3 raised to 35. So that is going to be 3 raised to 3 into 11, 33 plus 2 into 17, 3 raised to 34 plus 3 raised to 35. If you take 3 raised to 33 outside, you will get 1 plus 3 plus 3 square, and which is nothing but 3 raised to 33 into 1 plus 3 plus 9, which is 3 raised to 33 into 13. So this number will be divisible by multiples of 13, like not multiples of 30, any number which have factors of 13 and the powers of 3 till 33. So if you look, there's only one number like that is 39, because 39 is nothing but 3 into 13. So this number is only divisible by this number. Anyway, 2 is not there, so I can eliminate this. And what is 57? 57 divided by 3. Yeah, 57 is 3 into 19. Even though 3 is there, 19 is coming. Therefore, this is also not divisible. So this number is divisible by only option A. Okay. So, yeah, that's it. You can pause the video and see. That's it, guys. Thank you.